another video. So let's get to it. Let's get right to it. Y'all wishing to get y'all CDL? Y'all wanting to get y'all CDL? Alright, y'all. Go to process, y'all. It's two ways by getting y'all CDL. Well, first way is to go through school, and the second way, or you can just study, and then go rent a truck and do it by that. Go to a DMV and just go at with state trooper and do it like that. But I went this route by going through school to get my CDLs, and I spent what, 4 weeks in driving school to get my CDLs. And going through school, they basically just break down the CDL. They show you to get familiar with the truck and the different bags to get your CDL, and get more familiar with the truck and get comfortable with it and handling it. And you won't get that if you go through just going straight, just taking it, studying, just going straight and taking it. You won't get that. But like, it's basically like a hands-on schooling I went to get your CDLs. And you just gotta trust the process and trust the progress, because it's gonna be a progress. And you gotta know your game behind the wheels of that truck, because DOT they will be out to get you one way or another. They'll be out to get you, as y'all seen in my past video. But trust the process. Don't just jump right into it. Do your research about the company that you feel like that you want to go to. You want to do reefer, dry van, flatbed, heavy haul. Do your research. Because tankers, get your endorsements. Get all your endorsements while you can. Because I wish I would have got my endorsements. Triples and doubles. Get your passport. Try to get all that if you can. If you're able to get all that, try to get all that while you can. Because eventually I believe that I'm going to go back and try to get all my endorsements, tankers, so I can just be compatible and do anything, you know. Because with Melton, we do a lot of hazmat loads, which they won't give them to you unless you got your hazmat endorsements. So, and you go to get your passports too, y'all. If you ain't got your passports, get your passports. Cause I don't have my passport either. I wish I would have did all that before I got into it. Cause I was just trying to just get in the truck, rushing the process, so urgent to just get on there, get out. That's what I was like. But trust the process, believe the process, and everything will come slowly. Don't try to just take it all at once, because it's a lot. It's a lot, y'all. It's a lot. So, thinking about getting y'all CDLs, do your research. Woo. Thank y'all. From me to y'all, from the bottom of my heart, thank y'all. I appreciate it. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. That's what I'm gonna do for y'all. I got something for y'all. I'm gonna do a giveaway. I don't know what the giveaway gonna be yet, but I'm gonna do a giveaway. Get this video to 50 comments. Comment 21 gang and like this video, and you'll be entered chance to get the giveaway. From me to you, thank y'all. 21 gang is out.